Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 29 of building the Batmobile from 1966. The one that looks like that. The front, the more I look at the front, the more it looks a bit strange to me. I guess I'm just used to seeing it on the, from the three-quarter view or the side. The front just looks a little bit odd. I don't know. I suppose it's got the bat sort of styling that I've never really noticed on it before. But I don't know. Looking at it from the front, it's a bit strange. There we go. The bookworm turns. Who's that? That's the bookworm. That's the villain. I don't remember the bookworm at all. Yeah, no idea at all. This is season 1, episode 29, because it's issue 29. I do one each issue. So, yeah, 29. I don't know how many episodes in a season. It's a lot more than there is now. There we go. So, twisting the plot, all about that episode if you want. If you want to read about Arkham. Comic, obviously, before it was a game. All about that. Batman year by year. Interesting to see the art changes. This is very, very different to this. But, yeah, I mean, this is very recognisable to me as Batman. This, not so much so. I could see any one of these pages, obviously without Batman in it, and it wouldn't scream Batman at me. But, you know, all of this probably would. It's the colour palette. Just Batman. Detective Comics. World's finest. There we go. Batman and Superman. Justice League of America. Right, so yes, this is what we've got today. Another rod. It looks like it's got suspension parts to fit to it as well. So fitting that to that, then fitting the bar across in the middle of the other ones. So if that's suspension parts, then that is obviously where the other wheels are going to fit across. So yeah, we'll end up with it looking just like that in just a minute or two. Let me clear this out of the way and get straight to it. Right, this time we have two different types of screws. We've got the CM and the ones. The other one, I can't quite make that out now. CM and EM. EM and CM. Yeah, CM are going to hold it onto there. The EMs are the ones that are going to hold these onto there. So we're going to need two of those. One spare as ever. These are going onto these ready-made posts. That goes on there. The screw goes through this. These don't have a directionality to them. So that will just go straight through there and straight onto post. Holds that on there like that. I need to tighten it up, obviously, but that's pretty much how that's going to go. This one on there as well. I need to tighten these up before I attach it, because it's a lot easier to do that when it's one piece rather than the huge chassis floating around. So I shall get all of this done now. In the meantime, I shall suggest to you that if you like these videos, obviously there's an entire playlist of this and many other playlists of other part works. If you want to catch up on any of those, then you'll find them all on the channel. If you do like what you're watching on the channel, obviously like and subscribe. Be notified when other things appear. I still release videos at the moment. Every morning there's a part work video coming out. I alternate between a couple of different part works. So if you don't like the one that you're watching one day, stick around, because tomorrow will be something different. There's a few different cars and other things that I'm building, robots and things from films and others. Stick around for those. If you really like what you're watching, then by all means consider becoming a patron or a channel member. The links for those are in the video descriptions below. So yeah, that's those on there. They're not flopping around loose, but they're loose enough. And then we need to bring back the whole favourite, the whole thing that we're building, and this is going to go on there with those on that side. And again, we've just got the one place where that's going to fit on there like that, and then we use two of the other screws, the CM screws, hold that in the right place. We get a couple of those out. that one safe. There we have that doing the job. There we go, that one in there, that one over the other side as well. Apologies if you can't make out very much of what I'm doing here. It's all black screws going into black things. At least I've not got a black background. But a lot of these builds seem to be black parts, which is not so easy for filming and bringing out. I've got lots of lights on it, but even so, it's still tricky to see. But there we go. I shall get that tightened up off camera. But we're getting there. I think we're starting on the next axle next time, so we're going to get the bit to go across there. No way of attaching that to here. I think that's all of the attachment points along this chassis frame. So interesting how we're going to be attaching things to that. But we'll figure it out. We'll get there very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.